How to solve WhatsApp multiple account feature not showing in your WhatsApp application. If you are facing this issue and you want to solve this, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open App Store on your device and on the searching bar, search for WhatsApp and make sure that it is up to date. If it needs update, then hit on the update button. Now go through the settings and then hit on the general. From here, click on the software update and make sure that your system is updated as well. Now go back and then go back to your WhatsApp application and hit on the setting icon and go through the help and hit on the help center. From here, scroll down to the last. You will see an option of contact support. Hit on that and here briefly describe about your issue that you want to get multiple account feature. In this way you can solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.